Iba, nagta-transform si Summer. Sobrang nagta-transform siya when she's on stage talaga. Iba yung ano, eh, iba yung aura na binibigay niya, eh. Parang siya pa nga yung sinasabi kong rockstar talaga, eh, para siyang rockstar. Iba iba ang binibigay niyang love and binibigay niyang, iba yung binibigay niyang puwersa na alam mo may pinaghuhugutan yung bata. Pero 'pag tinitingnan mo siya naka-smile lang, iba yung technique niya, eh, iba yung capabilities niya din in terms of range. Wild, wild kid. I'm excited for her also. It is kasi yung both of them binigyan ko ng challenge actually, something na hindi sila komportable. And especially Summer, medyo hindi ko na-expect yung Summer kasi ano siya, eh, Summer is, we all know how much of a rock star she is. But I didn't expect so much from her in terms of this song. Iba yung pinakita niya, nilagay niya yung flavor niya din. Iba rin si Summer. Like right now, medyo speechless ako. Medyo hindi ako masaya ngayon kasi namomroblema na ako. But they both did such a good job. Summer did such an amazing job. She's a powerhouse also. She's good.